Okay, so we're going to take a look at your thermostat for your comfort control. First things first, on-off switch down the bottom. Let's turn that on. See what we got. So you can see it's come on. It says mode off. First thing we're going to do is press mode. Light comes on. Mode again. So that's your fan. That's strictly the air conditioning fan. As you can see, it's blinking. We're on zone 1. Zone 1 is your living room. I can hear the fan on in your living room right now. So if I press mode again, it's going to go to cool. So that gives me your air conditioning for zone 1. Now I can hear the fan shut off. 56 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to drop that down. See if we can get it to get the air conditioner to come on. Now it may not come on right now because it is a little cool out right now in the shop. It's only, I think it's only 17 degrees in the shop. But anyways, with it being set on there when it is warmer out, because you know it's January right now, that air conditioner should kick on for you no problem. So we're just going to continue on to the next mode. So next mode is the heat pump. So the heat pump, that just makes the air conditioner work in reverse. Instead of blowing in cold air, it's going to blow in hot air. And what we can do is we can turn that up. Now the heat pump is generally only good when it's, you know, I would say around 12 degrees. It's just enough to take the edge off. It's not really meant to be heating your entire RV. Okay, and so if we go down to mode, it's going to take us to furnace. As you can hear in the background, the furnace just kicked on. Okay, and you just heard your igniter and the gas valve open for the furnace, so that means your furnace has kicked on and is now heating. So that's zone 1. And if I press mode again one more time, sorry, not to get ahead of myself, but when that furnace does get up to temperature, say 72 degrees, it'll obviously come up to temperature, shut off, and go back through its cycle again. And you hit mode one more time and it goes to off. Now, if we're going to go press zone, we're on zone 2 now. So zone 2 has a heat pump. And we're actually going to start back at just the mode to see what we're at with zone 2. Mode off, fan only, cool. So you have your air conditioner. And again, it's probably not going to come on right now. Yeah, it's not coming on right now. Okay, so we'll skip past that. This one has the heat pump as well. That's for zone 2 for the rear. Okay. Alright, so now we went through all the modes and the zones. One thing I should show you guys is that let's go to zone 1. When you turn it on, it says fan only. Now, a lot of people have issues with running their air conditioners and their furnaces at the same time because they don't realize that fan should be set to auto. See how it's up at the top? If you hit fan again, it'll actually change it to low, high. You always want to have it just left set to auto because then it communicates between the air conditioner and the actual furnace themselves which one should be running. Otherwise you're basically creating weather systems, right? And we will go through that, shut it all off, and that's that. That's it for your comfort control heating system.